The Matatu Environmental Information System is a fully integrated solution for managing the process of environmental decision support from data management all the way to policy-relevant report production. It provides the country secretariat with complete control over the process and continuous oversight over the progress of the work throughout its various workspaces. With a shopping list of over 23 distinct user roles that can be combined as needed, the Secretariat can guarantee that each user can only access and edit exactly what is assigned to them. The Matatu portal also capitalizes on the added value of using a digital platform. From separate and shared collaborating spaces, to messaging functions, to instant and tailored multi-criteria analysis, and, finally, the vast potential of AI integration. The portal currently has 4 main workspaces integrated in a relational database, 2 of them for data management and 2 for environmental reporting. The data management workspaces are populated with the data that then goes on to support the reporting processes in the other 2 workspaces. All workspaces include training modules to facilitate capacity building on a wide scale. Firstly, we have the 2 data workspaces for SDGs and Sustainable Development Indicators. Navigate to the workspace of your choosing, then click Data Management and choose a data sector. On this screen, you will see all the data records available for your country, then check the complete metadata for each record. You can filter or sort the data to locate specific records, and if your user role includes data validation, you can also edit or delete records as you see fit. You can also use this screen to add more values along with their metadata. Click Add New, then choose the goal, target, and indicator, then start adding the name of the custodian institution and the year for your chosen record. On the next screen, you will include the details for the contact person within the custodian institution, the details for the institution, and then all the metadata for value that you have. And if you are validating data already saved on the system by other users, you can edit all this metadata from the Actions button for the record, or delete it altogether if need be. From the SDG workspace, you can also access the search module. On this screen, you can generate results from a tailored search in the form of tables, graphs, or a map. Or you can generate a full country profile, or a data gap report. The 2 environmental reporting workspaces are dedicated to the development of national state of environment reports and the national environmental summaries of the UN Common Country Analysis reports. To begin drafting a state of environment report, navigate to the SOE screen, then the Others module. Here you can start by managing the report's drafting process. From the Actions button next to the report title, click Manage Cycles. On the next screen, you can define the timeline for producing each draft of the report, including when drafting starts, when reviewers are to submit comments, when authors respond to the comments, and when the timeline for the draft is to end. Then you can develop or edit your report structure. Here you can create chapters based on themes within the system, or not, as well as sections and subsections. You can also edit or reorder the different nodes from this screen. Finally, you can assign authors for specific chapters or sections from the users on the system. To begin drafting, navigate to the Edit Current Draft screen. Here you will see as active links only the sections you have been assigned as an author. Click Edit and you will be directed to the editor screen. Here you can write, format, and insert pictures. You can also choose to upload a complete document. You can also import data from the data workspaces. Click Import as this, then create your data query and click Import. When the different authors have completed their work, or at any point within the drafting cycle, you can export a consolidated version of the current version of the draft in a Word file and save it to your desktop. The system also has modules for soliciting and analyzing reviewer comments and author responses to them to ensure the transparency and integrity of the report's peer review process. Throughout your work, you can rely on Matatu AI Assistant at the bottom right of your screen for quick answers and guidance. The AI Assistant can help the user in a number of ways, most notably by developing the structure for IA reports, national environmental summaries, and policy briefs. For example, the Matatu AI can help develop a policy brief based on South Sudan's State of Environment report for the year 2018. First, enter a prompt for the task. Next, attach the PDF file for the report as the prompt is dependent on it. Give it a few seconds to finish the upload of the attached file. Matatu AI then points out the South Sudanese efforts regarding achieving SDG 11. And as requested, the answer is solely based on the State of Environment report for 2018. After reviewing the accuracy of each answer, we can build on that answer and ask subsequent questions. For example, we can ask the assistant to provide more insights about the main policy responses addressing desertification in South Sudan. One last example, ask the Matatu AI assistant to provide the main policy recommendations for the conservation of the SAD area. As you see, the AI assistant provides quick and constructive support that further aids the user in developing any reporting obligation. More than ever, the AI assistant can prove to be a great addition for the Matatu portal. Thank you for your attention.